What's going on, guys? My name is Jimmy and today we got BAYU 2 Pro wireless car washer. Today we got this dirty car. We ride all the way here. We're nowhere. We don't know we got this dirty car. And also today I'm gonna be going ahead and demonstrate to you guys how this thing works. First thing first, we got a tank right over here. As you guys can tell, we got this water tank. Don't mind that the water is dirty. Don't mind it at all. Who cares? We're gonna be going ahead and washing this dirty car with this wireless car washer. This is an awesome product. It's wireless, it's portable, and this car is dirty. Let's go ahead and wash it up. Yes! Just like that. And it's very powerful. Yes! You can adjust it as well, just like that. There is a head right over there. You can adjust it however you want. You can make it harder, you can push it harder, you can push it farther, however you want. Let's go ahead and put it 25 degrees. Let's see how 25 degrees, just like that. Boom! You got a dirty tire? You can wash that as well. Yeah! Wash, 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 wash. Just like that. All right, it's not only a car washer. We got a bunch of things over here. You can vacuum your car. You can pump the flattened tire. We got a flashlight here as well. We got a vacuum cleaner over here. All you gotta do, put it on, twist it. Just like that, we got a vacuum cleaner as well. With this battery, you can do whatever you want with the car. You can pump the flat tire. We got a flashlight as well. We got a water tank. We got the car washer. All right, come with me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this thing works. We got a dirty car. There's lots of dirt to be cleaned. We just gotta go ahead with the press of a button, just like that. There you go. Extended pipe. If there is a place that you cannot reach, you can do that as well. Just put it on just like that, and boom. You can adjust the speed as well. It's very powerful. Look at the sound of it. All right, so far we have 5 operating systems. As you guys can see here, there you go. We got the power battery itself. We got the mobile phone stand. We got the this bad boy right here. It's a tire inflator pump. We got the vacuum cleaner just like that. We got a glare flight and also car washer as well. There are more than 20 under the development. Car washer gun, which is pretty cool. And we got this extended pipe as well. We got this water tank, the glare flashlight with this lampshade that can be taken out just like that. We're gonna come back to that later. All right, next up we got the vacuum cleaner extended pipe. And we got this vacuum cleaner itself. And also we got this tire inflator pump, which is pretty cool to have for car owners. And the most important one is this power battery supply. All right, let's go ahead and talk about this one. This power battery supply can be used as a power bank. You can use it, or, which is very cool that I like about this power supply, it can be used and integrated with all of the items that I mentioned earlier. Let's go ahead and talk about this one. The material feels really good and it's very minimalistic. There is a one power button in there, which is pretty cool. And also we have the Type-C connector here, which is pretty cool. You can connect your phone, charge your phone, or your other tablet or laptop. You can do that as well. So you can take off this protection ring just like that and you're good to go. All right, next up, we're gonna be using it with this car washer gun, just like that. All you gotta do, just hook it up just like that, rotate it, twist it, and you're good to go. With the press of a button, you're good to go, and you can wash your car just like that. All right, this was the power supply with the car washer gun. You can also use this extension pipe. Why not? All right, next up, we got this water tank as well to go with the car washer itself. The next one I'm super excited about is this lampshade. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys how this works. All you gotta do, just hook it up to the power supply with the twist and you're good to go, just like that. There are 2 buttons. You can turn on the power supply itself and the lampshade as well. There you go, and boom, surprise. Besides the lampshade, we got the awesome flashlight that can be flashing the light up to 400 meters. The projection of this flashlight is, which is pretty cool to have. Let me go ahead and turn it on. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you guys the power of this flashlight because, as you guys can tell, it's bright here. So yeah, let me just go ahead and, oh, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna be flashing on my face. Hopefully you guys can see it. You can also turn on the SOS mode as well. Hopefully that you're not gonna be using this mode, but which is pretty cool to have. This lampshade has it. Or you can turn on just like that, adjust the brightness with just like that, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the power of this flashlight because again, it's bright, it's not dark here, but we're gonna be testing it later as well. Why not? This was the power battery supply with the lampshade itself. Next up, we got this awesome accessory. If you're a car owner, you guys know that how many times your tires get flattened, just like that. On the go, this is the wireless inflator pump. Can be used just like that. You can just hook up the battery, twist it. All right, this is the inflator pump. It's wireless. You can take it to go anywhere, which is pretty cool to have. If you're, for example, you're outdoor or you're elsewhere outside, you can use this car inflator pump just like that, just like where I am at right now, for example. We got the LED display, which is pretty cool to have. You can adjust the brightness. There is also a flashlight right over here if you're at night or out there somewhere, which is pretty cool to have. And we got also the speed. You can adjust it however you want, and just like that, in a couple of minutes your flat is pumped just like that. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it works. Just like that, you can pump your air just like that. Awesome. So this was the pump inflator. It's pretty cool to have. Let's go ahead and talk about the vacuum cleaner. This is a must-have product for dog owners. If you have a dog, if you have any kind of pet, this one is a must-have. So there's a lock right over here. You guys can see the lock right over there. What you do is align these two together. There you go, just like that. You twist it, boom, you're good to go. Ready to clean the car. Just like that. It also has different kind of speed modes, which is pretty cool too, actually. Awesome, and it's very easy to use. I mean, imagine you're outdoor. This is a wireless vacuum cleaner for you to use. Just like that, you can clean everything in the car. We have this extension cord. If there's some kind of a places inside your car you cannot reach it, fear not. With this extension pipe, you can also reach the places that are unreachable. Just like that, you can use it as well. What I noticed here, that the power supply that we got in here, there are two buttons here, right? The vacuum cleaner has its own button here, and also the power supply has its own button here. First thing first, you might want to make sure that the power supply is on, and then you can go ahead and turn on the vacuum cleaner itself. Oh, there you go. You can see the LED indicator there that the power supply is on, just like that. Boom, good to go. And it's pretty powerful. Just like that. This was the vacuum cleaner. The next product that I'm super excited to talk about is the wireless T charger. It's a mobile phone stand. If your phone does support the T charger, T wireless charger, this is a must-have thing. Again, this power supply, imagine this one thing, power supply, can be integrated and used with every single one of these that I just showed. For example, this mobile stand, what you can do here is just go over there, just like I showed you in the previous one. There you go. Put, push, and twist, and you're good to go. If your phone, again, this is the T wireless charger. If your phone does support the T wireless charger, this is very, very cool to have. For example, I got an iPhone 11 here. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Just like that. Again, don't forget to turn on the power supply. There you go. Just like that. This is I'm super excited about this one. I love this one. And also what you can do is this, again, this power supply, it's not only can be integrated with all of these that I mentioned earlier, this can be used as a power bank as well, because we have a Type-C connector here where you can charge the power supply itself, and also there is a DC outlet as well here. Just take it out and show you guys. This is a DC outlet as well. Every single one of these that I showed you guys, for example, the lampshade as well has a DC outlet as well. For example, if the power supply battery does not have a battery, you can go ahead and use the DC cord to turn on the lampshade or to turn on the car washer, just like that. Every single one of them have the DC outlet. This one is below right over here. This is the where you can hook up the car extended pipe, just like that, and you're good to go. We got this side of the back compartment that is undiscovered. Let's go ahead and see what we got on this side. All right, on this side we got the quick operation guide. If in case you don't know how to use all of these things that I mentioned earlier, there you go. You have this little tiny book. All right. Also, we have this operating manual as well, where everything is explained in detail. All right. And also, we do have here what we got here. All right. We have a Type-C cable, which is pretty cool to have. All right. Also, we have this. What is this one? Ooh. All right. We got this water tank, you might want to say it, water bag that goes with a car washer. How cool is that? You can fill up the water, this bag, you can fill with water, hook it up to this, and you're good to go. Pretty cool. But you need something else to hook it up to, right? We got this car washer extended pipe for you to use with the car washer gun itself. All right, this is very cool. Also, what we got here, we also got this tiny tool that goes with the water tank, just like that, and you're good to go. All right, let's set it aside. Let's see if we missed anything else. This one also goes with the car washer gun itself, just like that. And also, we do have this mobile phone stand. And also, we have this car wash powder, which is pretty cool to have to go with the car washer gun itself. Everything is included, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see if we forgot anything in there. That's it. This was the BAYU 2 Pro car wash accessory, just like that.